got eyes off the bluest skies, and if they thought of rain, I'd hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. But it reminds me of a warm, safe place where, as a child, I'd hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh,